Let's talk about what I like about the bike. I really do like this motorcycle. The first thing that stands out is how well it handles. Whether I'm doing slow speed drills, riding through town, or cruising the mountain roads, the bike feels stable and predictable. In the mountains, the lean angle capability has been excellent, and the bike has plenty of power for all those long uphill grade changes, and it inspires confidence. And it's been a lot of fun on the twisty mountain roads. The engine's been fantastic. Of course, it starts every time, it runs smooth, and has plenty of power. It does everything I've asked it to do. The fuel economy averages right around 42 miles per gallon. For the type of riding I do, I'm happy with that. The display is another thing I really like. The screen is easy to read. The gear indicator is large and clear. The RPM gauge is easy to see. Everything is laid out well. The low seat height. One of the biggest reasons I purchased this motorcycle was the availability of the factory low suspension and low seat. As many of you know, I'm only 5 feet tall. That's 1.52 meters. So seat height is a huge factor for me. The lowered suspension and low seat height have worked perfectly. I can manage the bike, and it's given me a lot of confidence. If you're a shorter rider looking at adventure bikes, this is definitely something worth considering. Crash bars. Now let's talk about protection. And yes, I've tested it several times. The engine crash bars have worked great. The bike has taken a few naps during training, but every time it's gone down, the crash bars did exactly what they're supposed to do. The motorcycle body itself has never touched the ground. Only the crash bars, the Vario bag protection bars that I built, and the handlebars have touched the ground. I have broken a couple clutch and brake levers. The crash bars alone have saved me from expensive damage. The BMW Vario bags have been excellent. I use them every day. One of the things I really like is how they expand and contract. I can keep them compact when I don't need much storage, or expand them when I need extra room. They're definitely expensive, there's no question about that, but I use them enough that they've been worth the investment. But one thing I couldn't find was any aftermarket protection for the Vario bags. So I built my own. I'll show you how they work and how they adjust as the bags expand and contract. It's a simple design, but it works really well.